Hey everybody, it's Scott Mace here, your friendly neighborhood DCC geek from the La Mesa Club. Wanted to make sure everybody is aware of a couple things related to the Wi-Fi throttle system that was implemented recently. First, I've created a revised version of the instructional document. Please make sure to note the changes on pages 7 and 8 related to first turning on the Wi-Fi system. The short summary is you no longer need to cycle through the power button from the yellow through the red to the green state, which we know seizes the railroad. You can simply turn on the Wi-Fi PC, let it boot JMRI and the WiThrottle app, and you'll be good to go from there. Even though the power button will be displayed in a yellow state, it will make a seamless connection to the DCC command station. So that aside, I wanted to also take a couple moments to show everybody what I've determined are probably some helpful optimizations for your Apple iOS iPhones, iPads that you might want to use as a WiThrottle, or likewise Android devices that you may want to use with JMRI Engine Driver. So this is going to look a little ridiculous since I'm doing it on an iPad, but with any Apple device, what you can do is double tap the large button to show all currently running apps. And if you've never done this on an iPhone, what you'll see is a whole bunch of open apps. And to close them, which is what I'm recommending prior to using the WiThrottle device, is to close everything. So double tap this button again. Actually, let's start from square one. So you've got your main screen. Pretend this is a huge iPhone. I know, again, it's a little ridiculous. Tap the button, and for everything that you've got open, except the WiThrottle app, simply swipe it up to close it until the only thing that you have running is the WiThrottle app. That way, you're most assured of only running the throttle app for controlling trains, and you're not doing any kind of network communication in the background that might interfere with train control. So that shows you what it looks like on an Apple iOS device. I'm going to grab a couple Android devices and show you how to do the similar app clear steps on that kind of device. And unfortunately, there is a little variability to this. I've got an older Motorola Droid Bionic here. On this particular phone, you can just hold down the home button that you see here, and you'll see the open apps. In this case, it's a similar operation to what I just showed you on the iPad or Apple iOS device. In this instance, simply swipe horizontally to close open apps. So that's one variation of what you might see on an Android device. Again, this being an older Motorola Droid Bionic. The newer alternative, for those of you who are fans of Samsung devices, this is a Samsung Galaxy S5. You can simply tap on the bottom left adjacent to the sort of button bar that Samsung uses. So tap there, and you'll see a variety of open apps again. And the process is, like on the Motorola or other Android devices, the same. Simply swipe horizontally and you'll close open apps, or you can simply tap a close all if your interface allows it. So tap that and you've got everything closed, at which point you can go find your engine driver app and open it. So hope that helps provide a more reliable Wi-Fi throttle experience. And as always, give me a shout if you have any questions about using the system or DCC related questions in general. You can call me 858-232-3737 or shoot me an email, samace, that's SAMAASE @earthlink.net. Have fun.